Product Manager. Product Manager is where you will be doing most of your work. This is where all the good stuff happens. When you access the Product Manager menu, you will see 6 menu items. The first item, Add, Edit, Delete Products, is the one you will probably use the most. So let's begin. Add, Edit, Delete Products. When the site is created, your web developer will have designed and set up template pages. The formatting of product pages will be unique according to a client's specific requirements. That said, we will now go through the standard template layout. Add new product. Enter the product name. This name will be used in all search menus and printed references. Select category. The product will be added to this category. In most cases, select the content template. Assign owner. This option is only available in the Pro version of the software and is used for owned content pages. The default is no owner. Once you've entered the necessary information and click the Add button, the data will then be added to the product list above. Click the Edit button alongside the newly added product to edit or add the product details. There are a number of standard and optional elements included in all Edit product detailed pages. Let's go through these now. Product name. This is carried over from the Add Product page. This field is able to be edited and any changes made here will be reflected throughout the site. Product code. This converts the file name into a more search engine friendly URL. For example, www.yourdomain.com/flights. The file name must not contain any spaces or non-alphanumeric characters. Use dashes or underscores instead of spaces. For example, product_code. Product category. This is carried over from the Add Product page and is not able to be edited. Search list position. This function allows you to set the display order of your product in search menus and product lists. If this function is not used, the default display is alphabetical. Hint: set display order in tens to allow for easy amendments or insertions. Note: 100 is the default display. Always publish. A simple yes/no option allows live display of your product content to be turned off without the need to delete the product. This also prevents unfinished content from being viewed on the live site. Note: default is set to yes. Alternatively, there is the Publish Between feature. Product Manager content can be set to display, which means go live, and or expire on specified dates. Note: the Always Publish option must be set to no in order for scheduled content to function. Display template. Your web developer will have created various templates to display your product data and will advise on the correct template to select. Title. This is optional. It will replace the product name if set. Content. Click in here to add your content into Editor. Mood photos. Select Yes to display the mood photo, then select the image that you want to display. If more than one image is selected, select Yes to loop through the images or No to use numbered buttons to display images. Write content. Content to be displayed in the right-hand column. Map. Select Yes to display the map image in the right-hand column, then browse and upload your map image. Price table. Price table to be displayed in right-hand column. Top menu. Select Yes to display a link to this product in the header menu. Left menu. Select Yes to display a link to this item in the main navigation. Footer menu. Select Yes to display a link to this item in the footer navigation. In addition to the top left and footer menus, you may also add a sub-item menu. Select Yes if the item is a second level navigation item, and the parent page must be selected below. At this point, let's look at what we've done. We go to Save Updates and then Preview. You will notice that New Product is now a sub-menu of Visitor Information. Continuing on, the next item on Product Manager is the Menu Item Links Only option. Select Yes to display child links only in menu instead of linking to page. List Add. Select Yes if you want to add a list below the content. List Heading. Enter a heading to appear above your list items. This is optional. List Name. Select from the drop-down. List Thumbnail Width. This is the default for the thumbnail images in pixels. Note, must be a number only, for example 80. List Link Text, for example, more detail. We can add additional lists, 2, 3 or more if required. Okay, let's again review what we've done to date. We move to the top of the page and Save Updates and Preview. Beautiful. Link option. This is available to link to a third-party website. Select Yes. Then, if you'd like to appear in a pop-up 3/4 window, select Yes. You can ignore the next one and type in the link URL. Note, if you want the URL to appear in a branded frame set, you must use the following path. Inquiry button. Select Yes to add a Click to Inquire button. Related links. To be frank, this is not used very much anymore. However, if you do wish to use related links, please give Dave a call and he'd be happy to take you through it. Meta description. Enter a short description for this page. This is used by search engines to help index the page. Meta keywords. Enter some keywords for this page separated by commas. This is also used by search engines to help index the page. Masthead image. Should you wish to add an individual masthead to this particular page, select Yes. Upload the masthead for this page only. Choose the masthead height. It must be a number only, for example 120. And finally, we have an option if you would like to make this page an intranet page. If yes, select Yes, but for the moment we just will save updates.